What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this video in which I quickly wanted to cover Lever again. The Lever token or Lever finance, whatever you want to call it. But this was pretty bullish yesterday. I mean, this was bullish yesterday. Today it is already dropping down. We had a bearish confirmation and we're still in this downtrend we have been in. But still, I kind of wanted to take a look at it and like talk about whether there's still any hope for Lever finance. Can we still go up, something like that? And on the short term, it definitely does not look so, but does not look like that. But we'll talk about some fundamentals around Lever finance, and we'll talk about some technicals and just in general some actually bullish opportunities. So let's get right into it. This volume behavior is pretty shady. It does look like some short-term manipulation. Also, if you take a look at the volume accumulation and just the nature of the moves, it does look manipulated. Just to be honest, it comes from credible sources, but still could still be manipulated. And apart from that, I mean, most of you know that I do like the idea of the project, but the only way in which you can actually gauge its value is if it's being used, if it actually generates volume, if it actually generates revenue. Which at this point of time, I mean, the total volume traded is 400,000. That's not a lot. That's really not a lot with leverage trading. And fees generated of $400. Well, it has been active for almost a month, a little bit less, but almost. It's not going great, all right? So with that, the value of a Lever token is also not amazing right now. It briefly went up because of some promotions and some campaigns they had, but like fundamentally, it's not going well for Lever finance, and we're probably even valued a little bit too high still, if you would really try to value its intrinsic value. But still, it has potential. If it actually gets used a lot, it has potential. But they have to get the users on the platform, which is, there's definitely a market for that, but it's obviously hard. And then apart from that, I mean, technically and fundamentally, if you take a look at the entire crypto market, we're just bearish. So what's going to happen now is well, as I said yesterday, with that bullish manipulated momentum, we got up to this level around 0.2 cents, but we got a bearish confirmation, found resistance there, and right now we're back into our old ways. We didn't even find support at this level right here at 0.16 cents. So now we're dropping down. We're dropping down to 0.15 cents and 0.14 cents. Now, the thing is that technically is actually a pretty strong level. So I expect some more support from here. I don't think we'll get a rally, but I expect some more support. In the end, I do think we'll also drop down to the level below that at around 0.12 cents. From there, we might get some sort of a rally. Not because I think Lever finance is very great. I mean, I like the project, but I don't think it deserves a rally. But let's be honest, if you take a look at Lever finance historically, we've always had sort of rallies. And I think that's going to happen again at some point in the next 2 months or something. From where, I cannot predict that. All right, so at some point, just be prepared that Lever finance is going to rally again. But just purely realistically analyzing a Lever right now, given the fundamentals that we have about the project and the market and the technicals, this seems like the most likely scenario. All right, so that's my take on it for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But take care and bye.